Wait. Don't believe everything plant sellers tell you. Some of those tips can actually kill your plant. Let's talk about the 5 biggest lies plant sellers tell you, and what you should really do instead. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you love houseplants and want to keep them truly healthy, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next plant care video. Alright, let's get started. Lie 1. Water once a week. That's the biggest lie of all. You can't water all plants on a fixed schedule. Why? Because watering depends on so many factors: light, temperature, airflow, humidity, and even the size of the pot. If the room is bright and warm, your plant will drink more. But in cold or low light rooms, the soil stays wet for longer. So always check the soil with your finger. If it's still moist, wait. If it's dry, then water. Soil don't water by the calendar, water by the. Lie 2. This plant doesn't need sunlight. No plant can live without light. Some plants tolerate low light, but they don't grow well in it. Without enough light, their new leaves become smaller, the colors fade, and growth slows down. If your plant is in a dark corner, move it closer to a window or use a grow light. It'll thank you with new, healthy growth. If you've ever been told this lie, give this video a like. Lie 3. You can report right after buying. Nope, that's a recipe for shock. When you bring a new plant home, it's already stressed: new environment, new light, new humidity. If you report it immediately, you damage its roots even more. Instead, let it adjust for 2 to 3 weeks first. Then report only if the roots are circling the pot or the soil drains too slowly. Give it time to settle before giving it new soil. So which of these lies have you heard before? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to read your experience. And if this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more honest plant care tips. May your plants grow strong and happy, and may you never fall for these lies again.